I want to think a little bit about this whole finding your identity and finding your way.
Yeah.
And because I want us to remember that for highly sensitive people, because we process so deeply, our development is more slow. We're thinking so much as we go through child development and human development that we do it more slowly. There might come this lightning strike moment where a big shift happens, but in general, we usually process sometimes for years on a developmental milestone that might just happen in a blink of an eye for someone who's not highly sensitive. And I wonder how that impacts HSQs. I want to kind of bring us to that unique experience of growing up highly sensitive and queer in some way. Like, how does that need to process development to think? I mean, I know in my own life, it was a long, drawn out process.